Hey guys, welcome to the Fun Box Factory. Okay, today, really exciting, I'm going to teach you how to make snow. Snow is one of the sensory activities inside of this month's Fun Box. So get ready to make some awesome sensory textured snow. Be right back. Okay, this is the Let It Snow. You will have your container look like this. And snow in a package like this, and a little tiny shovel. Okay, first thing is you're gonna rip open your snow package and pour it into your container. Ooh, powdery. Okay, next, get a spoon with a tablespoon and a cup of water. Okay, with your container and your spoon, you're gonna scoop some water into your snow mixture. Now it's like not really wet at all, so you have to add more water. And you're just gonna keep adding water. This is really good fine motor, that's why it's in your Fun Box. To your snow mixture. Dudes, look how cool this looks. It's like puffy right now. Alright. It still needs more water though, so you have to keep scooping it in and dumping it in there. Still need more. Okay, and there's still powder. Woo! Ah! See? So it needs to be like mushy wet. I guess you could just kind of pour your water from the glass in here, but it's way more fine motory if you do it with scooping the spoon. So if you're doing this with your mom or your dad or your brother, your auntie or uncle, tell them you guys have to scoop the water with a spoon, because that's the way I say to do it. Just kidding. It's just really good for your skills anyways. Alright. Alright, I'm like dumping the rest of my water in here. I mean, I guess it can't get too wet, right? So like, you're going like a cup of water. Alright, so it's kind of like jelly-ish now. So what you're going to do is mix it with your spoon. Mix it with your spoon. This is a sensory activity. Mix it with your hands, man. Yeah. Oh, it's kind of cold. It's still not totally mixed. You're gonna need more water, but look how cool it is. I'm so glad I'm doing this with you guys. Seriously. The best part about being the fun doctor is that I have fun all the time. Alright, now I'm gonna put a little too much water, but that's okay, because it's so absorbent. Alright, check it out. Can you see it in there? Ooh, that's the kind of snow we're looking for. It's like a jelly snow. And look how much is in this container. Yeah, that is what's up. Cool. Alright, now anyways, it's no doubt super fun to smush, and that's why it's a super fun sensory activity. It's really calming. In your box, you'll have like little construction trucks or little tiny characters to play with in your snow. And, of course, your little shovel. So you can like scoop it. And it kind of leaves a messy thing on your hands, and that's what we want, so you get used to textures. And plus, if you're the kind of kid that loves slime and love getting messy, then this is perfect for you, because it's exactly what it does. Sweet! So anyway, once you've added so much water to your snow, you will get it to be like very jelly, and then you can take up big scoops of it and roll it into a ball. So you have like a real snowball here, and then you can do stuff with it like smush it, make a snow pancake. And not only is this really great for sensory skills, it's really good for fine motor skills, because when we roll it into a ball, we are developing all of these arches that are in our hands, which we need for grasping. See, like, look how nice the lines in my hand are creased. That's because I have a nice, we call them palmar arches. Very strong hands, good for grasping. Okay, so the more water you add, the more snow you're gonna have, and then you can like transfer it into a bigger container if you want. The one that's in your Funtastic box has a lid, so you can keep it inside this container. You can play with it on a table or a tray. And you can even build sculptures with it. Let's see, maybe I'll make you a snowman. All right, I'm gonna put mine snowball on the table, which I'll show you in a second. I'm gonna make another snowball by smushing it in my hand, molding it, palmar arches. So if this ever dries up on you and it's not as wet or goopy as it used to be, just add more water and you're totally gonna get your snow back. Okay, here's a little tiny one for your snowman's head. If you have buttons, you can stick them in the snow to make the face. So by the way, when I'm pushing the snowman's buttons on and I'm using actual buttons, this kind of grasp that I have to use is called a pincer grasp. So I have like my thumb and my pointer finger, and I use it because it's like really precise movements that I have to do, and that's exactly what you want to learn as a kid. So you can do all kinds of stuff like get dressed and do crafts, and the only way you know how to do that stuff is through experience. So having fun with your mushy snowman is exactly the way for you to learn how to do more stuff and enjoy things. Okay, that is your completed snowman. That was how you make snow, which is inside your fun box for you to enjoy. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and check out more videos of me showing you what's inside Funtastic Box. Visit me at www.funtasticbox.me. Talk to you soon. See you there. Bye.